College, it gives you a feeling of an accomplishment. It gives you a sense of pride within yourself to say, yes, I was sentenced to whatever. Yes, that was what I did, but that's not who I am. College is really the roadmap to your future.
College in prison allows us to evolve as individuals.
And when I started EMU and the journey, I really started to make myself proud and find my self-worth and do it for me.
And to be able to sit down, and education is the only thing that we want right now at the moment, and be treated like humans with respect.
Just the entire EMU organization, they invest in us as individuals, not as prisoners, not as offenders, and to know that you can have this type of career outside of prison is really what kept me going on.
When I got locked up in the 90s, I really needed something to do that, and it set me on the trajectory. Now I'm at a place that I even want more.
When I did go forward into entering EMU and how the classes were set up, being in a prison facility, it was beyond, again, my imagination.
I believe college in a prison setting is important to remind those individuals that don't know or haven't been taught that they are someone, that they can have something, that they are still human beings. To be treated like a human is very important, and I appreciate that.
Dear Brandy,
I'm so very proud of you. You came a long way, and look now, you can stand on your own.
all I see now for myself is success.
You made the best out of your circumstances. You were still able to be the first of your mother's children to graduate college.
All the hard work has paid off.
Don't ever forget, even when your schooling stops, your education and your learning will never end.
Always remember never to give up.
Congratulations on your graduation. You deserve the world. Be proud of yourself.
Come forth and shine. Be successful, be prosperous, lead by example, and leave no one behind.
I am a daughter.
I am a mother.
I am a sister.
I am a seamstress.
I am a woman.
I am a student.
I am a confidant.
I am a leader.
I am an EMU graduate.